Package dimensions 25.4 x 20.32 L x 24.892 W centimeters. Country of origin, China. Package weight 5.742 kilograms. Part number 31490. KARGOMASTER 31490 Ratchet STRP Tie DWNS-PAIR. Kargo Master 31490 Tie Down Ratchet Strap, Pair, Black. Top reviews from the United States. 2017 Transit Connect with Kargo Master Rack. The Kargo Master ratchet straps mounted easily to the Kargo Master rack on my 2017 Ford Transit Connect. The Kargo Master 31490 tie-down ratchet strap has been good investment. A no-brainer. Easy install, fantastic operation. If you have a Kargo Master rack, there is no excuse for you not to equip it with these. It would be a waste.